Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of Road to Baby, which is going to be my vlogging series around the remainder of my pregnancy, because there's so much that needs to still happen before this baby gets here, not only personally but professionally. And for some reason I felt I want to document this crazy time in my life as if there isn't enough already going on. So I will be 29 weeks tomorrow. So I just started my third trimester, so it's basically the last leg of pregnancy. I've got about just over 2 months to go, and in this time we are also about to launch our new business. There are obviously also existing content creation and prints commitments business wise that are happening. There's just prepping the house for the baby. We're supposed to do a bathroom remodel. None of the baby stuff is set up. I'm not going to be having some typical Pinterest style nursery. Basically what's happening is our bedroom adjoins to our second bedroom, so we like knocked out the wall between the two. So in the beginning baby's going to be with us, and I've got to find a way to nest in a way that makes that happen. Otherwise, I'm really excited to document this journey, take you guys along with us, trying out baby equipment, what I eat in a day, all the prep that's going to go into this. And I'm about to take my blood sugar. I'm not going to show you guys that because I know people are weird with blood. But yeah, it's because I have gestational diabetes, which is when you get diabetes just when you are pregnant, and it goes away as soon as you give birth. And people with PCOS are more prone to this condition. Lucky me. So I have to watch my sugar, have to watch my carbs. So I thought it might be helpful for some of you, or interesting to see how I deal with that as well. Anyways, on that note, let me show you guys what I'm having for breakfast. This is what I have quite often. It's basically plain yogurt, some strawberries, and low carb granola from Woolies. It basically is just like seeds and nuts. This is like one of my favorite snacks also because it helps with heartburn, keeps you regular. I'm a pregnancy phenomenon, I'm not gonna lie. Hey, I don't have constipation. She does not live here. I go twice a day, and I think this is partially why. So the plan for today is I'm gonna start cleaning out some drawers and cupboards, just being a little bit realistic with my life. The not so fun part about nesting is making space. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so we are in my office right now. I've just sorted out these two drawers that go in my beauty desk. Over here we've got all of my makeup, which I know looks like a lot for the average person, but if you know anything about influencers and their makeup collections, you'll understand this is not actually that much. In here we've got some of my toiletry bags, lashes, that is a sponge, my brushes over here which need to get a wash, and then these are all sorts of like sprays and creams. Over here we've got a pile of things that I'm using for campaigns, some things that I'm going to be doing a beauty sale with sometime soon because I never had a chance to test them, probably not going to get a chance. So I'm just going to get Abdul Malik to load this back into the beauty desk very carefully. Margaret is here today. I'm going to get her to wash my brushes, and then we're going to move on to the next section. Some of the stock from our new brand, just some. There are about 8 boxes here. The rest is all at my mom's place because my old bedroom and my brother's old studio is acting as a storeroom. And over here we have all the dresses that fit me in maternity, well, most of them. So I've hung them up here in my office because I have so much stuff in my regular clothing closet that doesn't fit me, isn't ready to wear, isn't easy to wear, especially now in summer when pregnancy is especially hot and challenging. Speaking of which, if you hear the fan, sorry not sorry, it's a little humid and hot today and I just have to have it on or I won't survive. Yeah, so we've got like maternity skirts here, shirt dresses, caftans, all of that. These aren't ironed, so I'm also going to just get Margaret to iron and steam some of these for me today, just so that things are easy and ready to wear. So if you have like a separate rail or a separate room where you can kind of keep some maternity friendly things easily so that it doesn't get confused with your existing closet, highly recommend the system. It works very well for me. It works well for me also when I'm not pregnant and you know, like where you meal prep, you can outfit prep for the week, which is super handy. Are you helping? Do you think maybe I could have some of this fruit? Can I have a kiss? One kiss? No kisses for me. Oh, okay, fine. We've got some more help here for the organizational committee. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, la. So it is now 11:30 and I'm starving. So I'm taking a break from organizing and I'm going to make myself an omelette. This forms part of eating for gestational diabetes. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to have. Here we have some chicken mince. I think Abdul Malik made it with like peppers and stuff. Some cheddar cheese. Mushrooms, basil pesto, and then I'll probably have about half an avo, but it's quite a small avo. So all of these will go inside my omelette. It will be low carb, high fat, and filled with protein and fiber. So pre-pregnancy, you guys may remember I never had dairy at all, but I've just been loving it in my pregnancy right now.
From when your waters break. I'm kind of quite keen to hear from you what your understanding of taking responsibility for your labor means to you.
So I just came for a little lie down. Going to resume reorganizing some stuff very soon. I got up to Malik in a zone as well now. So now he's like unpacking drawers and boxes and cupboards here in our dressing room. I'm just kind of laying here and watching it all happen. What else was I gonna say? Oh, about my omelette du fromage, which I just ate. You guys may have noticed everything was already in tuppers. So a tip for healthy eating, whether you are pregnant, not pregnant, is to prep certain fillings and things that you can use as you make meals for the rest of the week. So okay, we had mince now, but usually after Malik will make some really nice fillets, whether it's steak or chicken, in the air fryer. You can always cut them into strips and put them in a wrap. You can put them in a salad. You could put them on a pizza. You can put it in an omelette. We always have some mushrooms. We buy a big bag of avos, and all of those things just make really nice healthy fillings on hand, so that when you're making yourself lunch or a snack or even a full meal, you've got everything there already. So it helps you to keep on track, because it's not like such a schlep to cook yourself something. Another thing that we will always prep for us as well is we'll make weekly batches of a green smoothie. Yeah, and this is all super important, especially for me right now, because if he doesn't do those things for me, I will literally just order takeout and eat burgers. Okay, so it is now 3:30 p.m. and I'm gonna eat again. It's been 3 hours, 4 hours since I had that omelette. Anyways, so I'm gonna have one of my favorite easy pregnancy snack meal things, but I want to show you the bread that I use. This is spinach king bread. It is certified gluten-free. It's infused with spinach. It is vegan. And the best part is that it's keto and low carb friendly. So 2 slices of these, it's only 8 grams of carbs. So this is really good for me for gestational diabetes. But even pre-pregnancy, like, I loved of this stuff. It's so delicious. I never have it untoasted though. So all I do is I take 2 slices of these, put a layer of basil pesto, put a layer of cheese, pop the 2 slices in the air fryer for 4 minutes, and that's my cheesy toasty snack. So these are my 2 slices and the prepped green smoothie. So I'm feeling like I had a really productive day because I also sorted out our sock drawer and my underwear drawer. Also, nobody asked, but this is literally what my natural hair texture looks like that you guys have been seeing. It's been so hot in Cape Town for like the last 2 weeks that I just don't blow dry my hair anymore. I take cold showers all the time to cool off and wash my hair and I leave it. I sleep with wet hair and this is what happens. But yeah, let me save some battery so I can show you guys what I have later. I'll still have dinner and then I'll probably have a protein shake after that. So I was supposed to take maybe maximum a 2-hour nap and then I woke up at 9 o'clock. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys my last meal for the day. So here we have some zucchini, some butternut that I made in the air fryer, I think. 2 chicken breasts, piece of corn, and a bit of quinoa. I can't have too much. Then my lovely husband made us. It looks warm because it's in the mug, but this is actually cold cocoa. It's made with ice water, macadamia milk, organic cacao powder, and sweetened with xylitol, and I think there's a pinch of salt. Should be a pinch of salt. So that's almost like my dessert for the night, and I'll have that after